In this video, we're going to show you how to enter in vehicle mileage to be billed out to customer jobs. Come up to Company, come down to Enter Vehicle Mileage, select the vehicle being used. If you've added your vehicle in there already, if not, you can add new and add your vehicle. I'm going to select the Ford truck, the trip start date, the trip end date. If the trip is longer than 1 day, select another day. The odometer start reading, just going to put one in here. The odometer end reading, and click on the bottom one and it automatically calculates it for you. Now, is it billable? It's going to be billed to a customer job. We're going to bill it to Mike Balick as residential. It is billable. The item is you set up a delivery charge, or however you want to call it, a service charge. It can be done under service or other charges. Either one will do it. You set them up that way. This is going to be a delivery. Now you can set your fees up by mileage or as a single item. This particular one is set up as a single delivery item. I'll show you how to adjust that later. The class, we're going to put this as landscaping. And notes, we're going to say delivery of apple trees. And we're going to save and close. Now we're going to come to the customer, show you how to build this out. We're going to create an invoice. Pull up Mr. Mike Balick on residential. QuickBooks automatically tells you that you have outstanding billable time and cost to add to this invoice. You want to tell it OK, or do you want to exclude the extended billable time for now? You can always add it later if you need to. We'll check this off and tell it OK. Come over to mileage, and here's your mileage that QuickBooks saved in here for you. We're going to select all, delivery. See, it's got the 10 miles in here. It gives you the description, delivery service fee, free for orders over $100. We'll click on options. We want to transfer both notes and descriptions. We got that radio button selected. Let's tell that OK. We're going to tell this OK. And it dropped it right into our invoice. It'll drop the note in for us too, right there underneath it, so we know what the delivery was for. This is the description. Delivery service fee, free for orders over $100 is a description of delivery. Delivery of apple trees was our note. It dropped them both in there for us because we selected that option. Now it's got a price of $15 each. If you set your delivery up per mileage, you may have this set up as exactly what the IRS reimburses you for mileage for, or you may set it up for $1 a mile or $2 a mile or whatever the case may be. You can set it up here under the price, but this is a flat fee. So what I want to do, instead of charging him for 10 miles for the flat fee of the delivery service, which makes it $150, we don't want to charge him that much. We want to charge him one delivery. Now it's got its fee down to where it should be at $15. And then you click Save and Close, and that's on his invoice. Now, had we not added that up there right then, we can clear this out. It stays with the billable time and cost until we add it to the invoice or go back and delete it. Let's say we already had an invoice open and it didn't add it to us for us. We can click Add Time and Cost button right here. Go back to the customer. Let's say I didn't select that right now. Click Add Time and Cost button. Go up to your mileage, and there it is. Check it off, add it to it, and it drops it back into your invoice for you. And that's how you create mileage and bill it to your customer for the vehicles that you use in your business on deliveries and things of that nature.